A billion dreams, and behind each, there is an idea. Launching a startup is a dream for many entrepreneurs today. And our Honorable Prime Minister's vision is a guiding light.
हिंदुस्तान का कोई जिला, हिंदुस्तान का कोई ब्लॉक ऐसा ना हो कि आने वाले दिनों में नए स्टार्टअप शुरू ना हुए हो।
Startup India, an initiative of the Government of India that promotes entrepreneurship by nurturing, mentoring, and facilitating startups throughout their life cycle. January 2016 saw the launch of the Action Plan, a big step to help entrepreneurs get started.
We have a tech startup idea but don't know where to begin.
Honestly, I have no business background but don't know where to go for advice.
The Startup India Hub is a unique platform that addresses your requirements. It identifies and approaches the right mentors, incubators, accelerators and investors.
And you can access all of this through the Startup India app or the website.
Dad said ऐसे स्टार्टअप शुरू नहीं हो जाता, बिजनेस करना आता भी है. Well, आता तो नहीं था, but then I took the free Startup India learning program and here I am.
Protecting the idea is very important, but how do I start? The government appointed facilitator helped me find my patents for almost no cost.
आइडिया और फंडिंग से स्टार्टअप शुरू नहीं होते. गवर्नमेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स का पेपर वर्क और सरकारी दफ्तरों में भागा दौड़ी, इसका खर्चा कहाँ से आएगा?
Startup India understands this and helps entrepreneurs self-certify for compliance under 6 labor and 3 environment laws, and several states are in adherence. Guidance and mentorship is great, but a startup needs the right resources to grow. This is why academia and the industry have been brought together to set up research parks, incubators and startup centers across the country. Let's look at biotechnology today. Bioclusters and bioincubators are being set up at major national research institutes and universities to help startups in every possible way. We know funding is a big roadblock for startups. The government has created a fund of funds that will help startups gain access to funding.
Entrepreneurs will no longer face the challenge of initial profitability. The exemption under the Startup India initiative gives you a 3-year tax holiday out of a block of 7 years. You can reinvest the capital, really make your business big.
Businesses fail all the time. Startup India helps you wind up your business in 90 days and move on to your next thing.
We are committed to promote entrepreneurship, innovation and startups in the country. We have taken a number of steps and initiatives to strengthen the ecosystem for startups, and we are committed to doing whatever is required to be done to further promote this ecosystem and provide our entrepreneurs and the young people with the opportunities that they require.
Spirit of entrepreneurship begins early, and Atal Tinkering Labs at school level encourage this very spirit. Plus, many programs help at the college level too.
The government is constantly moving forward, but with the inputs which come from people. The government is going to be an honest facilitator. We want to make sure that the startups are not going to be wondering as to who's going to help them. We are here. Access us for information, access us for suggestions, and access us also tell us that we should do things better this way or that. We are here to help you. We want you to succeed as a good startup entrepreneur. We are with you.
With Startup India by your side, why wait? Come on, India, let's start up. Get recognized with Startup India because we are here to help.